This is TutorialToucan with another bird's eye guide through all things tech. In this video, let's learn how to screenshot on Windows 10 in under 5 minutes using Snipping Tool. Stick with me through this video to know all the tips and tricks to screenshotting quickly and efficiently using this unique software. If you're looking for a more detailed step-by-step guide on Snipping Tool or have confusing questions that need answering, check out the link below in the description for a video I made on that. Without further ado, let's begin. I want to first clarify that Snipping Tool is a screenshotting application that is automatically downloaded and comes free with Windows 10. So yes, if you have a Windows computer, you can use this software, and best of all, it's free. So how do you open this application? Pretty simple. All you do is go to your Windows icon at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen and click on it. This will open up all the folders in your computer. Scroll down till you see Windows Accessories. Click on that and it will open a box of different applications found on your device. You'll notice Snipping Tool located underneath. Before you click on it to open it, let's do a quick trick to make it always easy to locate and use Snipping Tool to screenshot. Please right-click over the application, click on More, and select Pin to Taskbar. You will now have the icon located at the bottom of your taskbar from now on to use and click on quickly. Now that we have made our lives a bit easier, go ahead and click on the Snipping Tool icon to open up the application. For this next part of the video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the most important tools and buttons that you should know how to use to best fit your individual needs when screenshotting. Ready? Okay, so to take a snip or screenshot is pretty easy. Click the New button up here. It will turn your mouse into a crosshair and give an overlay of your screen. Go ahead and then click and drag over the area of the screen you want to snip and let go to have the image appear in the box. We will talk about saving in a moment. Next button that is super important is the Mode button. This will literally bless your life. To make this simple, there are 4 total modes. I'm going to tell you what each does very quickly. Clicking the drop-down arrow, Freeform Snip allows you to draw on your screen and cut a section of your screen manually. Rectangular Snip is usually set by default and allows you to cleanly cut a portion of your screen. Windows Snip button will only show if you have multiple desktop screens. It allows you to press on which desktop screen you would like to snip and screenshots that whole window specifically. Full Screen Snip button automatically takes a snip of your full screen. Make sure before you snip to always choose which mode best fits what you want to do. Next up, the Delay button. By default, it should be set to No Delay. You will notice it has times listed from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 seconds. Use these if you need to navigate to a section of your screen and then have the overlay appear to then snip, like so. The Cancel button. Click on this X if you change your mind and don't want to take a snip yet. It will cancel out the snip but keep the application open for you. Once you snip, you will have access to a few more handy buttons. We're only going to talk about one more in this video, the floppy disk or the Save button. Click on this button once you are happy with your snip to save your image. A pop-up window will appear when you save. Be sure to choose the folder you would like to save the image in. I like to select my desktop. And then be sure to name it something coherent and identifiable. Lastly, most images should be a JPEG or a PNG. Then click Save to save your image. And with that, our 5-minute software tour comes to a close. But before we end, I want to hear what you all think about this software and this video in the comments section below. Did you find this video helpful? And what do you mostly screenshot on your Windows device? As always, thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quality 4K tutorial videos. And until we meet again, remember, this is TutorialToucan, your bird's eye guide through all things tech. Signing off.